So there is a phenomena that, because the idea here where portion control goes out, one is mindless. Second is the feeling of liking to feel full. That is something that people struggle with a lot. I like to feel full. I love that feeling where I can just lie down or I can just
Yeah.
go to sleep or things of that sort. And so it's about, but I still want to lose weight. How can I feel full and still wanting to lose weight, but not at the same time overeat? So this is that bridge point that I recommend people do, increase your meals, have your chicken, have your roti, have, whatever it is that you desire, but have a big salad on the side. Don't make that your main meal, but use that to fill your stomach up.